We are way out in Lakewood Ranch. The drive out here was a little startling to see how far you have to go. But this house is 2022. It's got a bedroom out here in the front. And then next to this bedroom is a bathroom, which would be the house bath, plus for that guest. And it's really nice. And then there's an office. It's carpeted, but you could replace that with, say, bamboo floor. Make a little transition right at the door there. And that'd be a nice workout room. It's got French doors to close it off. I'm not going to show the kitchen yet. And then you have the laundry room and a 3-car garage. And there's a door over here. Right there, the air con, the utilities are inside. So you have the whole of the garage with only maybe the garbage cans here that you have to share with your cars. It's pretty deep, so you put your car in and have room in the back to put all the other stuff. Okay, then you come back in. Close that door. Come back in and go this way. And there is a bedroom suite here for a guest. So let me see if I can turn the lights on there. Yeah. So you got this very nice bedroom, private up in the front of the house, away from everything, and your own full bath with a gorgeous shower. God bless. And a closet over here. Da-da-da. And then, holy crap, look at this kitchen. Look at these beautiful women in this kitchen. Look at this gorgeous kitchen. Includes the women. look, Tammy's like, let me hide behind my sister. But Laura's like, hi.
Welcome to your kitchen.
Do whatever you want as long as you buy my house. It's 500 feet long.
Yes, it is.
This countertop weighs 60 tons. It was once part of the pyramids. You got this, the dining area is like right off on its own, nice. Not intruding on the house. I like it there. And then a perfect living area with the carpet, you know, sort of bordering everything. An arch in the front of the house there. Then you go back here, is another bedroom. Is this only a 2-bedroom house? No, it's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so this is the master. And the master has access out to the pool, but it also has the world's largest frickin' bathroom. Come in here, and you can just stand in the middle of this bathroom and spin around. Walk-in closet there, walk-in closet there, another vanity there, and a 17-person shower. Is this open this way? Yeah. Jeez, I can walk in the shower and walk around. Holy crap. This house is, I think it's $775,000. It's out in a gated community with a lot of amenities, and I think it's $400 a month HOA. But that was what $400 a month HOA was what my condo was in Boca. Okay, now you go out here to the pool area. Got a pretty good sized covered area here, and then a great big pool area, barbecue tucked away over here. Nice pool. It needs a little cleaning to clear it up because it rains. They tell me they get murky after the rain until they cycle through the chemicals. Probably a 6-person hot tub. Nice area over here. And then some sort of nature area in the back that looks like it won't get built on. That's kind of cool. And you got neighbors to each side. But my God, and it's a brand new house. It's 2022, so there's nothing that needs to be done to it. It's just that I have to live pretty far out from. They took me through on the way here. They took me through all the shops at the University Town Center, and there's a Fidelity, there's Schwab, there's freaking everything there. And that's where the Whole Foods and the Fresh Market are, and tons of restaurants and tons of everything. And you're a bit of a drive away from that. Every day you want to go there from this house. But what a hell of a house to live in.